Looking for battery? Choose LithoTop. This is our certifications for you.
At LithoTop, we believe that reliable energy begins with smart innovation. Founded in 2017 in China, LithoTop is a professional manufacturer of lithium batteries and battery management systems, specializing in custom development, OEM, and ODM services. With 8 years of experience, we have become a trusted supplier for well-known brands in Europe, North America, Asia, and over 30 countries worldwide. LithoTop operates with a team of around 300 employees, including 30 R&D and design engineers and over 15 quality and technical engineers. Supported by more than 200 skilled production workers, our factory delivers a daily production capacity of up to 120,000 battery units, allowing us to meet large-scale orders while ensuring stable quality and fast lead times. We offer a complete range of lithium battery types, including lithium-ion, Li-ion, lithium polymer, your LiPo, lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, and lithium manganese dioxide, LiMNO2 batteries. In addition to standard models, LithoTop specializes in customized solutions, particularly in high-rate batteries, ultra-thin batteries, curved batteries, cylindrical LiPo batteries, and irregular or special-shaped batteries designed for compact product structures. Our batteries are widely used in wearable devices, medical equipment, IoT products, consumer electronics, and portable smart devices. We focus on developing energy solutions that are lightweight, safe, durable, and precisely engineered to match each customer's application needs. Quality is at the core of our production. We apply the 5S management system and implement full process quality control, including IQC, IPQC, FQC, and OQC. LithoTop is certified with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 and has passed audits from UL, TUV, SGS, and CQC. Depending on market requirements, our products can comply with certifications such as CE, UN 38.3, ROHS, MSDS, KC, CB, UL 1642, PSE, IEC 62133, and more. We provide flexible sample support with delivery in about 5 to 10 days. Mass production orders are typically completed within 2 to 4 weeks, depending on customization and quantity. With strong R&D capabilities, stable supply, competitive pricing, and responsive service, we help customers accelerate product development and enhance market competitiveness. At LithoTop, we are committed to delivering high-performance, reliable lithium battery solutions that empower innovation across industries. LithoTop, energizing your vision with power you can trust. We look forward to building long-term partnerships based on quality, customization, and global success.